this in mind. Just because your head comes to a point doesn't mean you're sharp. Geezers know how to sharpen knives. Today I'll be using this Lansky Sharpener, and we'll be doing some steak knives. There's a coarse stone, medium stone, and the fine stone. And there you can see the holder. The guide is in the holder, the actual sharpening stone, and there's the knife. Then a little spot of oil. Work your way up the blade. Just like that. What were once vices are now habits. Always try to have good lighting. Love this hat here because if my lighting's not good, and that is a very bright LED light, so I don't know who makes this hat. Let me look. This hat is made in China. It's 100% polyester, so it's all natural. Power cap is what it's called. I love the thing. And then once you've done this, do the other side, and I'll go back and forth, maybe twice. And these are great sharpeners, but if you want to do it well, the Lansky is the way to go. They work good. Like I said, I've had this set at least 20 years. So whatever you're getting ready for, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Hanukkah, Passover, something where you're going to have to carve something up. Easter, I guess there's people have hams at Easter, I don't know. Go out and get to it. You'll be glad you did it. You won't want to leave the garage. You'll just want to hang out there, play the radio, just enjoy. Once you get it about as sharp as you want it, which this is very sharp, coarse stone, and then I'll finish it up. I'll go to the medium stone. Just clean it off. From the medium stone, go to the light stone. Again, just a little bit of oil on them. And this thing just basically polishing it off. Again, flip it over. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Bob's your uncle. That is a very sharp knife. And it'll stay sharp a long time. The angles are real important on sharpening knives because the angle will determine how long the edge lasts. When I'm dealing with smaller knives, like pocket knives, I'm using the 17-degree angle, the lowest angle. And I'm definitely going to use the fine stone. One hardens the blade a little bit because it gets rid of tiny imperfections. Fine. And this thing will polish it up, and this is probably going to be it for this little knife. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You could shave with that. And that's that. See you guys.